Well guys, PJ here, Silver Adventures Fishing. You probably won't be able to hear me because it's windy again. There's my buddy Connor again. He called me up, he wanted to go fishing. He was here yesterday and got whacked by a sail cat in his hand. It's all swelled up, but he didn't give up. So he said he missed some fish here already, so we're gonna see what happens, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm not gonna have a slack in between videos like I did before, so I'm starting off with the gold Sprite, which gets all these waves, makes it get caught on itself. But he didn't even know Snook season was open up, so that's crazy. Anyways, guys, there you go. The gold Sprite, can't beat that. Oh! It hit the oyster bar and then got off. All right, my buddy Connor's got something. A little snook. Huh? Can't hear this in this weather, guys. All right, guys. Connor, get ready to throw over there because there might be something tailing him. Coming in with a buddy. And this ain't no little one. No. It ain't a little one. Just don't get hooked up in me. He's coming at me, Where are you? Over the top of me?
Big red?
I don't know what it is. I'm underneath you right here. Oh yeah, it's a keeper red. All right, look at that. You net him for me. When it gets closer right here. It'll stretch a little bit. Okay, I'll get it. Oh no you don't. Oh no you don't. Yeah, he usually has buddies there with him. Let him get tired, I'll be good. He was right out there. Okay guys, I got a redfish here that's not giving up, which is good. He's a keeper. Well, he is tough. Yeah. There we go.
Oh boy.
All right, guys, let me flick the bail here and put this rod in my roddy holder. All right, guys, I'll show them to you in the net. There you go. There's a keeper red for sure. For sure. Yeah, he's right there.
On the gold Sprite.
Gold Sprite did it again. Sorry, guys, I ain't gonna be able to hold him up for you too much because if I drop him, I'll be ready to shoot myself. And then I'll shoot Connor, just to make sure we both go together. Good job, boys. All right, we did it. Ready?
You on it now?
GoPro, start recording. Are you on? Yep, it's on. Yep, I'm on again. Another big red. Oh, it's a snook. It's a snook. Maybe I got my keeper snook, guys.
Big Snook. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, no, you don't. Oh, he's leaving town. Listen to that.
That's amazing, man. That might be a 40.
A what?
40 inch.
No, I think he's like, not even, I don't think he's bare. He might be close to keeper. Where are you? He's underneath my feet. There he goes again. Stay away from that oyster bar, boy.
Oh my goodness, get in there.
Get in there.
First cast.
That's what I said right there. Gonna have to measure him though. Well guys, got my snook. You can't do much without this wind and stuff, but he looks like he might be, he's a fat little booger. But I don't think he's 28, but we'll measure him. We'll measure him. That little, he was strong though. And that came right out just like nothing.
Uh-oh.
So. Come here. This comes in handy, but it's a pain in the butt sometimes. In the wind. All right, guys, we're still trying to do this. When you get in the waves and the wind, everything's beating on you at the same time. You can't really get a good grip on anything. I don't want to drop this dude. Wait a minute. All right, guys, got the snookums.
Jeez.
Am I on here? Make sure I'm on. Yep. All right, guys, got my snook. There we go, 27 out. Not quite big enough, but close.
One off.
Close, only counts in hand grenades and horseshoes. He just asked me if will they bite, snook bite the Sprite. There you go. All right, guys. I'll let you go in a minute, brother. Hold that red thing for 1 second. Boy, he's lively. See that? Yeah, he's close.
He's close.
If we pinched his lip, he might be right on the button, but you know, what is? I can't. It ain't worth it getting caught and doing something. All right, guys.
And yeah, it ain't.
Half an inch off, guys. Half an inch off. You ready to go, little buddy? You ready to go? There he goes. All right, guys, I just shoot that and Connor's got one. Got to get him in my videos, guys. What do you got? A little rat red.
Oh, rat red.
That's what they call the dinky one. Look at that. 1, 2, 4 spots, 5 on one side. There you go. Barely. Show me him. There you go, guys. He's gone. We didn't get stopped talking, guys, and Connor got another one. A little snook. Cool. He ain't too big. What is this thing? Is that a flounder? Nope, another red.
Keeper?
Nah. Got me a little red, guys. Another one. Come here. I don't want to go ahead, splash my glasses and my camera and everything, you little booger. God, God. Alrighty, guys. This is the craziest day trying to show you a fish that you can't show you because it's so windy and you can't grab them. But I got my little grabbers right here. If the wind was going, it wouldn't be that bad. All right, you already splashed everything, you little turd. I don't like this new net though. Everything gets caught in it. Here you go, guys. My little red. Little rat red. I don't want him to flip and get my finger. There you go. There you go, guys. Little red. Another one.
Atta boy.
See you, brother. Thank you. All right, guys. Connor finally got one. We don't know what it is. Need the net, brother? Where are you, little rat red? Is that what he is? Don't, because a catfish, we're going to kill him. Caught him to your left, huh? That's a snook. Hey, you little booger. Oh, it's a catfish.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right. I gotta help him, guys. He got stuck yesterday. See this? That's from yesterday.
On the gold Sprite, there's no way.
Yep, I
I
told.
feel like this is revenge.
Stupid freaking GoPro. Yeah, I wish. Little snooky, guys, right in the net. All righty. Right there by that thing up there. He was barely hooked. Alright guys, let me get this Snook off of here. Strong little booger. You saw him, you're going. Okay guys, there's my red 23 incher. Had a good day with my buddy Connor. He caught some fish.
Caught a bunch.
I caught
Not as many as him though.
I caught a good snook, but like I say, it was so windy out there and wavy we couldn't measure him. He was too close, but he probably was a keeper, but couldn't take the chance. He's not worth the money. So anyways, appreciate you coming with me.
Always great.
All right, had a good time. And watch the vid, give me the thumbs up, comment. I answer them all, guys.
Hey, shout out to the girl that caught the huge snook out in the flats.
Yeah, there's a girl way out there with her boyfriend. While we were coming back behind him over there, she caught a snook. It had to be a keeper snook, but
Huge snook.
he was trying to get it for her and it got off. Because they always get off pretty easy. Got that soft corner of the mouth, so they can get off. Anyways, guys, God bless y'all. Keep healthy. Tell somebody, your family, your wife, girlfriend, brother, sister, cousin that you haven't seen for a while, tell them you love them, guys. All right? Peace. We'll see you. Silverman. Adventures Fishing, I'm out of here.